Hey everyone, welcome to the Weller channel. Today I'll show how to start page numbering from any page you want in Google Docs. Let's say we want to start numbering from page 3. I'll go to page 3, click Insert Break, then Section Break. There. Next I click Insert Page Elements and add page numbers. I choose the style I want. Then click Settings, Page Numbers, and here click Start At. And then click Apply. Now, as you can see, here's 1, 2. We can delete these. Yes, remove. There, and here it starts. Here it begins from a new page. So one count ends here and another begins here. This continues until you make another break. Like this. Or we need to unlink it. Yes, unlink, click here and press start. There it is. Or you can click on settings. Here we can start counting from, say, another number like 5. Click apply and it starts counting from 5. That's all for now. This was Weller. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life everyone. Good luck to all. Bye everyone.